that what skills are required to become an e-commerce specialist like a pro.
Number 1. Develop skills in market research to identify the best marketplace suitable for your product or service. Number 2. Learn to create compelling and highly optimized product listing for various marketplaces. Number 3. Gain knowledge of pricing strategy for various e-commerce marketplaces. Number 4. Acquire skills in inventory management for various marketplaces.
Number 5. Learn to track and analyze the key metrics, for example, sales, conversion rate, customer reviews and rating, etc. Number 6. Develop strong customer servicing skills like handling inquiries or resolving their issue, which also results in strong customer relationships. Learn advertising features within different e-commerce marketplaces. Number 8. Stay up to date with the rules, regulation and policies set up by different marketplaces. Number 9. Develop branding and image management skills. Analyze your competitors' activities.